Hey, wait, my people. Voila, they say not the finish. Hello, my people. I greet the followers from Untouchable Mama. Also, now they fine. God bless you. Now, so now they help me to they share, comment, like. God will bless you. I really appreciate you. Now, well. Without you, now who be me? Wanna continue to the help una sister, una mama, una friend. They share the video, like, leave your comment. Problem not there. This video where I bring come for now, so my people. Ogbalegbe don bust somewhere for Aba. Hey. If una see how many and many children there, that is how many all these people where be say they get belle, all these our women, some women where be say their age now 20, 18, 15, where get belle, where they for inside there. Now one of the 21 people where be say they fine for inside the house. Now one of the person I be this one. As they talk about how they take, how you take get belle, how you take go there. So the way now say that they teach them now in case it is say be bust in. So you not go just like talk the truth wetin they go on for inside there. You go say now you waka come, a person bring you come because of the person where be say he get there. This one where they do so. All these people where they were born finish. Now no, they go carry the pikin. Maybe give them like 500,000, 700,000, 1 million. Depends of maybe amount where they want me they give all this mama where be say they born. They will carry the pikin. Go oh now wow, they sell them. They'll go sell them, my people. Can you imagine? Many day like that oh. This one now, our own story now she can't talk for here. Maybe I go look for other video, mona for see the rest people. The kind thing where be say, I don't understand though. Pikin before now, where be say, if you get belle, you born pikin, where be say, because of say, the love where you get for that pikin, I make you want born, breastfeed down, stay with your child. If you dey hear the cry of your child, you go, you know, nowadays, now because of money, now they do now. When they'll just like carry belle, say maybe their boyfriend give them belle. The waiting they'll just go do. Maybe the boyfriend tell them say they no need her, go remove her. They'll run go this house where be say the person where he gets and go tell them say I get belle. Go say okay, maybe you say yeah. Okay, we offer you so amounts so that if you born the pikin, we will give you some money. Then the pikin go become be their own. So that all those people where be say that they do all this baby factory, they go like when they give them out to people where be say where get money. All these people where be say they not feel born, they need pikin. Now you can see some people go start to they put a pillow for a belle for many for many months. You go say you get belle, suddenly you go see a small pikin for your head. Go say you don't born. Hey, voila. May we listen to this one more now here. Not the way Musa no go see. My country, Nigeria.
Your name?
My name is
Divine. Divine.
Michael.
Michael. From where? Where are you from?
I'm from Abia State.
Which part of Abia?
From Isialangwa.
Okay, where in Isialangwa?
South.
Okay, so how long have you been here?
I have been here since 5 months.
5 months. How did you manage to come here? Who brought you here? You come on your own or somebody brought you?
No, somebody brought me.
Who is the person?
There was one man that saw me on the road. So he now asked me, so what did I intend to do? So I now told him that my parents are late. So he said that he will take me to somewhere and they will take care of me. If I want to go to school, that the woman will help me and sponsor me. So that's why I came.
So have you been sponsored since you came?
Yeah, she helped me and wrote my work. So that was the only thing. Then I wanted to apply for form, so it was late. So they said that they are closed. That it should be next semester.
When you came here, were you pregnant?
Yes.
You were pregnant when you came here. Who is responsible for that pregnancy? Who was responsible? Do you know the man?
He's my boyfriend, but I told him that I'm pregnant. Then he now. Yes.
Okay.
But since you came here and she has been taking care of you, have you delivered?
The baby.
No.
You're still pregnant now.
I took pills so that the baby will
Come out. But it didn't come out now.
No.
So who is the person that accommodated you here? Who is the man, woman, or is it a man or woman that is looking after you here?
It's a woman.
What is her name?
Her name is Ma.
Ma who? You didn't know the other name.
Ma Charity.
Ma Charity. Did he promise you when you give birth you will collect the child or you will pay you? What did he tell you?
I told her that I don't want to give the baby for an adoption. She said fine. If I didn't want to give it for adoption, that she's going to keep the baby.
And pay you?
No. She said that she will keep the baby and take care of it. If I'm ready, then she will now give me back the baby.
So you won't pay her anything for accommodating you, helping you to deliver the baby?
No, I told her, as in, she said that if there are some people, if they decided to adopt their baby, then she will pay them. If you didn't accept it, she will not.
Raise your face. Speak loud. Your name?
My name is Deborah.
Speak out.
Deborah.
Deborah who? Friday. Okay. You are here. What brought you here?
Someone.
Who is the person?
I don't know the person.
But you saw the person somewhere.
Somewhere.
How did he lead to you coming here? What did he tell you? What did you tell him? What was the problem?
The problem is that this pregnancy that I'm carrying has no help for me. So the man told me that there is a place that can serve my life, but nobody will know about it. So I decided to do it.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
19. Are you a student? Do you go to school? Do you learn work? Speak out.
I was learning work.
Which work are you learning?
Seamstress.
Seamstress. You are sewing clothes. This baby by your side, who go now?
The father.
The father denied about the child, but him pregnant you. So you are the mother. Then why do you bring the child here with you?
Nobody to take care of it.
Okay, nobody. But here you are now. Did they bring men to come and sleep with you?
No.
So how do you survive here?
How do you survive here? The woman cook food and give you.
Yes.
Then did he say he will collect this child as a payback? So when you identify your father now, you go back. Did your father know you are here, your parents? Huh? Why did you leave them to run to this place? Were they treating you bad? Because of this child you born?
My people, the thing get as it be. Now this one they come they do now. You just see there, money, they not worry. So family you just born now. Then you go, because like that, those one like this one way be say not talk so, because they know they talk, you know, they not just open mouth just tell you say see what. Let's say now orphanage now they understand say okay they wrong, go orphanage go stay there because no help, you know. But this one not be orphanage. This woman and the way she they do not be that one. If you just see like all these people now, more than not worry, see money where you don't understand. So when they will carry belly, so not even they tell their boyfriend safe. When they'll just carry belly, they'll just go there. So the woman will take off everything, the food, everything. Now don't ever see that kind of thing. He go just take care of everything. He go even tell you, say, if you don't born finish, carry your pikin, they go. Now be boss there, my people. When I do well, my people, thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one. So I just see the video now and say, hey, I'm gonna there be 21, and there be the rest video maybe later. I feel still from a break on. Thank you for being here. Bye bye for now.